Hey guys, Jason at Hard Money Bankers with your Private Money Minute. We're talking about fee-based income versus investment-based income. There's such a common misconception for real estate investors and agents and real estate professionals that we got into this business to invest in assets and make money and be financially free. Well, if you're selling a house or wholesaling a house or flipping a house, that is fee-based income. You're not investing in an asset. And it's taxed at the highest tax bracket to begin with. You need to take some of that money and invest in rental properties or apartment buildings or commercial buildings or private notes or investments. Your money, your capital will always work a lot harder and easier than your hard work will. It's that simple. If you have $100,000 to invest and you're making a 10% rate of return, you're making $10,000, right? That could be the average fee that you worked really, really hard to make. You have to think about it. You can't just be out there grinding to make a fee every day. Take your capital, invest in assets, in real estate assets, and see them grow and make a good return. Hopefully you find this helpful. If you have any questions, reach out to me, Jason at hardmoneybankers.com.